Let's get started with the landscaping. If you are only doing a landscape or deck project, and not the entire house design, templates are a quick and easy option for these projects. For this house, we'll begin by creating a terrain perimeter. The terrain perimeter is the shape of the lot indicated by this green line. It can be easily edited by clicking on the edge to change the shape and size. Once the shape of the perimeter has been established, I can add elevation data to create sloped or varying terrain lots. For a sloped lot, I will add an elevation line at the back of the terrain perimeter and set it to a negative value. The program will automatically generate the terrain after clicking on Build Terrain in the menu, or it can be seen in 3D view where contour lines created in the plan view are visible. If you have a GPS or data from a surveyor, you can import this data into the program for your terrain detail. Other terrain features like hills, valleys, roads, sidewalks, and driveways can help to complete a realistic site plan. Now that the terrain shape is completed, we'll move on to landscaping features. To make it easy, prearranged landscaping beds can be quickly placed into the design. These landscaping beds can add visual appeal and can be modified for your specific plan. You can download the landscaping beds from our website. The Plant Chooser can help to create custom beds with individually placed plants. It includes information on up to 3,600 plants and is a great tool to help find and learn about the right plants for any landscaping project. Some home designer products have fewer plants. Please refer to the product comparison matrix on our website for feature details. To search for specific plants, there are several attributes that can be used to find the ideal plant and narrow the results. For example, a search for the plant name iris displays a small subset of those plants in the library. The search result can be displayed by either common or scientific name. When placing plants from the library, they can be distributed in a garden bed with settings for spacing and orientation to make the garden beds look natural. Each plant has an informational tab with details about size, sun, soil, water requirements, bloom time, plant type, and hardiness zone. The hardiness zone map helps to locate the area in which you live and determine which plants are suitable for that climate region. Most of the plants have maturity information. This information can be used to visualize growth of plants. For example, we can start with young trees and shrubs, define their ages, and then use the Grow Plants tool to adjust the maturity. This tool is helpful to see how the plants will look as they mature. A plant schedule can be generated with all the plants in a landscaping project. This can be a good shopping or planning list. The program's integrated landscaping and deck tools can help put the finishing touches on any project and help you visualize your design. To further personalize the project, take a real-life picture of the lot, import the photo, and use it as the background. 3D views look even more realistic. Now that the site plan and landscaping are completed, there is one final element to add: a deck. Using the Deck Railing tool, draw the shape of the deck. When the area is enclosed, notice that a deck room label has been created. In a 3D view, we can see that the deck has been automatically generated with the railing, foundation support, and the structural framing. The software includes a framing option for decks that will automatically frame the deck and build the foundation supports for you. Deck default options can be customized, including the optional deck roof and deck planking materials. In the deck options, you can define additional features for the deck such as overhang, width, direction, and planks. And using Home Designer Pro, you can define advanced framing and structural details. With the deck completed, a cost estimate can be generated from the materials list. The program retains all information about the plan, such as deck posts, planking, framing, and concrete, and automatically adds that information to the material list. This tool makes it easy to estimate project costs. The program produces a detailed list of materials by category with the description and quantity of materials visual in spreadsheet format. In addition to total lineal feet for the decking materials, a cut and buy list can be generated for budgeting, lumber shopping list, or a construction cut list.